Once again, we enjoyed a really nice evening with all these energetic women active in M&A at the iconic Atomium. We first enjoyed an inspiring keynote by Mieke De Ketelaere on AI, all the pitfalls but also possibilities for the future. That was followed by a nice view on the exhibition here, as well as a digital art installation. And we closed off a wonderful evening with a very nice networking opportunity. I really had a very nice evening.
Tonight I had the honor to speak at the Women in M&A event organized by Deloitte. What a beautiful event in a splendid location, the heart of Brussels at Atomium. I could not imagine a better place to talk about the current status of AI and to look together with the audience towards the future.
It was a fantastic evening in a great venue, and I was really pleased to see a lot of young potentials in the M&A world coming together tonight.
It was the first time for me. I really enjoyed the event, and I've spoken with truly some remarkable ladies, and I would definitely recommend it to other women.
Amazing venue, amazing people, another amazing evening.